Almost everything in this course so far governs a system that is already running. You set the boundary, watch the live signals, and act when something drifts. That is necessary, but it means the institution usually learns whether its governance actually holds at the worst possible time, when a real system acting on real money or real customers has already crossed a line. Confidence is easiest to maintain when conditions are stable. The controls look effective, the dashboards look reassuring, the reports satisfy everyone. The true quality of governance rarely shows itself in normal operation. It shows itself under pressure, and by then the test is live. By the end of this short primer, you will understand what simulation as governance and a governance digital twin are and why they are becoming essential. This module introduces a different posture, and it is the forward edge of the field. Instead of waiting for reality to test your governance, you rehearse the governance before the system reaches production. The way an institution stress tests a balance sheet or runs a fire drill before there is a fire. You ask, if this agent met an unfamiliar pattern, a corrupted input, a surge in volume, or a coordinated attempt to turn it, would the boundary hold? Would the monitoring notice? Would the stop control reach it in time? And would a person be positioned to act? You ask those questions in a safe environment where a wrong answer costs nothing, rather than discovering them in production, where a wrong answer costs whatever the system did next. This matters more as systems multiply and act faster. The faster a system acts, the less time there is to learn on the live system, and the more valuable it is to have already seen how the controls behave under pressure. This is simulation as governance, treating the ability to rehearse the institution's controls as a control in its own right. It is a large subject, and this module is only a primer, enough to give you the concept and why it is becoming essential. Next, the piece that makes rehearsal possible, a governance digital twin.